MTM tuning at EDGEvantage. It's Philip's 25th birthday. His father David has planned a special surprise gift for him. An elegant, brand new Audi RS5R car. Philip is thrilled to see his sleek sportback. He already has ideas to make it look unique. David, being a regular customer of EDGEvantage, prefers to consult the in-house experts on tuning solutions. At EDGEvantage's workshop, they meet Nick, an MTM tuning specialist. Nick introduces them to various customizable MTM tuning features and upgrades for their Audi variant, including MTM's ECU reprogramming and intake solutions. This can help increase the car's power output, enhance fuel efficiency and drivability, or even lower emission levels. David was glad to learn that MTM's latest software optimizes launch control and shortens gear shift points for enhanced safety and seamless transmission. Nick explained to Philip that he could upgrade to a customized sport exhaust system that complies with the LTA guidelines, or even give his car a unique, classy look by upgrading to MTM rims crafted with Titan polish and painted wheels. David and Philip are impressed. They discuss the specifications and drop the car for a customized makeover. EDGEvantage, your official MTM tuning dealer in Singapore for Audi and Volkswagen Group cars. Call us to make a booking.